If you are looking to add a little extra vibe to your Instagram stories, today I'm going to show you how to add music to them. It's super easy and a great way to make your stories stand out. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your Instagram app and swipe right to open your story camera. You can also tap the profile picture on the top left if you are on the home page. Now once you are in the story camera, you can select the picture or video from your gallery. Once you select the picture or video from gallery, tap on it. Look for the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It's that little square smiley face. Right next to that, you will be seeing a music sticker. From here, tap on music sticker. Now you will see a huge library of music to choose from. You can either search for a specific song or browse by your mood or what's trending. You can even listen to a preview before you pick your track. Once you have found the perfect song, you can select a specific part of the track that you want to feature on your story. Instagram lets you pick a few seconds, usually between 5 and 15 seconds, so choose the part that fits best with your story. Now that you have chosen your music, you can customize how it appears on your story. You can adjust the text style, your color, and even the lyrics display if you want them to show up on your screen. Once you are happy with your music, you can move the music sticker around to the position it exactly where you want it in your screen. Finally, all that's left to do is tap your story at the bottom to post it for your followers to see. And that's it, you have just added music to your Instagram story. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.